What's up? It's Kavine and Courtney again with a new video. And together we are Majestic Love. So guys, today we decided to play the couples 1, 2, 3 tag. We're gonna do that. So basically, babe, the couples 1, 2, 3 tag is I'm gonna ask you a question. First we're gonna go for you first and then me. So I'm gonna ask you a question.
Yeah.
And then we're do 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna tell me what your answer would be, and I'm gonna tell you what I think your answer would be.
Alright.
Okay? Got it? Roger that. Before we start anything, guys, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Okay? We're on our journey to 500 subscribers, and we're trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So please like, comment, and share. All right, babe.
Yeah.
Our first question, and we're doing you first, and then we're gonna go to me. Capiche? All right. If your boyfriend or girlfriend could be married to a movie star, who would it be? This one is kind of tough because babe don't really do movie stars. Do you have a celebrity crush even?
No.
I've never really heard him have a celebrity crush. But hey, let's do it. Say a local female Jamaican singer.
Alright.
Yeah, are you thinking? You think you know
No,
me? I think you know me. I think. All right, 1, 2, 3. Shensia. Yeah, like if he's never really talked about the crush business, but from me hear him say Shensia prettier than Rihanna.
Yeah, man, Shensia.
I guess.
Shensia
So you
look
know-
like, man, I tell you like, Shensia, 1,000 yard of wife material. Straight.
Yeah. So now the question goes for me now. I can't really think of a movie star. You know.
I'm saying, no, alright. Famous face, movie star, I'm saying.
Who am I in love with? Like movie star wise. This is kind
I
of
don't really know much movie star either, so.
So what do you want us to do? Do you want us to do? I don't know. I don't know of an artist or somebody that I would marry. But if we were to do a local Jamaican, a local Jamaican,
You ready?
you think you know? 1, 2, 3.
Ninja
Alkaline. Babe, go away from me as the one ninja man.
Yeah,
You
face.
bucket, son.
What up, ninja, isn't it?
The Don Dog on
The
no
Don
hell
Dog.
no. Okay, the next question on this round is, if my boyfriend could be a celebrity, who would he be? And I think I know this one.
Let me see,
You know which one you'd be, babe? A celebrity, well-known person, without a doubt. You ready?
Athlete.
Any athlete,
Let me see.
anything?
You ready?
1, 2, 3. Paul Pogba.
Definitely Pogba. Yeah, me just rate them.
He's a footballer on Manchester
Rate the man
United.
playing style.
So
France baller too.
he
But that's
would-
rate the man.
he would definitely
Isn't
be Paul
Yeah, I'm
Pogba.
rate the man swag everything. You see me, sir? Yeah, man, but that one really like Pog someone day, man, or two.
If I could be any celebrity, who
Let me
would
see,
I
yeah.
be?
Oh, may I have to think already.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Rihanna.
Yeah, obviously.
I love Rihanna. She's my
Obviously.
girl. I love her. Okay. If you've gone to 7-Eleven is like an American thing, but it's like if you've gone to the store, right? If you went to the store, right? And you decided to buy, you've gone to the store to get milk and decided to buy your boyfriend a treat, what would I buy? If I go to the store and I bought milk and I decided to buy something for my boyfriend, what would it be? I think I know what it would be. A treat for him. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. A beer. Babe, babe, why you never say
Yeah, never say
a beer?
Yeah, you have to be a red stripe. You
A
can't come
beer.
back. First thing, you go shop, you go to store. Beer.
Beer. That's a theme treat. Anyway, that goes for me now. If you went to the store to
Me
get
go to the
milk
store
and
now, down
decided to buy a treat for me, what would you buy?
I know what I buy.
Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Bigfoot.
Kiss cake. Oh God, babe. You know I love some kiss cake. I love Bigfoot. I would take Bigfoot. But I would love some kiss cake.
Yeah, we never see a buy them. We never see it. Eat kiss cake like I eat Bigfoot.
Anyway, those are me have that Holy Trinity, you know.
Bigfoot.
Me have Holy Trinity. Me love kiss cake, the Bigfoot, the tiger cheese chip, and
Tigers.
the plantain chips thing.
That's not Trinity, that's a 4.
4 quadruplet, whatever that is. Ooh. The next one says, what percentage of housework would you say your boyfriend what percentage of work would your boyfriend say that they do?
Housework.
Let's get this together. 1, 2, 3, 90%. Really, babe?
Yeah, 95%.
95%? Okay. What percentage of housework would I say that I do? 1, 2, 3.
50%.
Babe, I wouldn't say 50, you know?
What you gonna say?
I would say about 35%. When I'm here. When I'm in America, I do 100%. Okay.
Yeah, because I've been there for the 90 or do the rest side. So
no, I am just a guest when I'm here. So, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, I guess for 2 weeks.
I'm the longest reigning guest you have, right?
So I'm going to yeah, man, you go off start pay like, yeah, I guess. But charge you per night, per meal.
I pay you.
Oh.
I pay you all the time.
Me alone enjoy it. Me alone like doing it. So you know, just as enjoyable to you female as just the
we go save that for the next conversation we go have on our video. If your boyfriend could choose one thing for you to get rid of, what would it be? If you could choose one thing for me to get rid of, what would it be?
One thing.
Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3. My phone.
Hate the phone, bro.
Now, if your girlfriend could choose one thing for you to get rid of, what would it be? Wait, me not know yet. What would I choose you to get rid of? You got it in your mind?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Anyway, 1, 2, 3. Acid wash pants.
The TV. You hate the TV.
No, I don't hate the TV.
I mean, so every time I watch it, you argue.
But more why you get rid of the TV, dude.
So why you so much?
But then when you get rid of them acid wash pants that are so 2000 and something.
So you want me wear skinny jeans?
Plain jeans.
No, you wear. Me not tell you what type of jeans you wear. Say leave my jeans and all. Leave me 2 acid wash pants and I got, or a few acid wash pants and I got.
What's your boyfriend's most repeated sentences or phrase? Ready? You have it in your mind?
Let me see.
Your most repeated sentence or phrase. May have it in your mind already.
Let me see. No, you have to say your word first and then we say what we got.
No.
Then go clash. You ready?
How you know so me not have what you are saying
Alright.
here in your mind, man? Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3. You see me?
Come here.
That's also one of them. Come here. But he
She
also
like
say, you
left
see
stuff
me?
all over the place. You see me? And my favorite thing, I'm not going to take it up. Babe.
Anytime you hear babe, come here. Like, what now, dude?
Yeah, you left something so you have to take it up.
Him always say, you see me?
Yeah, that's my thing.
You see me?
One word.
Let's say 40. You see me? That's what he says. What about me, babe? Okay. 1. You right? Have you in your mind?
Let me see. Sure. Yeah, man.
1, 2, 3. I'm
Babe,
starving.
Yeah.
I'm always starving. like, babe, I'm starving. Even after me just done eat. Babe, I'm starving.
My face say you're just out and out greedy.
You're just out and out.
Oh.
Disrespectful to call me greedy.
And that it. You just eat. No matter what you eat, you're hungry after. So how about that? Greed that in daddy.
Anyway, the next question is, what is your boyfriend most used cuss word? Cuss word. Alright, you have it in your mind?
But you don't want to use expletive funny.
We can beep it out. You ready? Even if we beep it out, does it even make sense?
It doesn't make sense.
I'm talking, but anyway, I have it in my mind. Let's go, babe. 1, 2, 3, bomboclat. That is so what he does all the time, babe. What's my favorite cuss word now? I don't really cuss bad word though, but I cuss bad word?
No, but you say all could figure.
What me say?
Go on.
Let me see in my mind.
I'm giving reaction to it. When I do it. Go on. Come
No,
on.
if we're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah!
That's not even a cuss word.
What that? Anytime me catch up in an argument, to be like, ah!
Crazy.
I will me catch up in an argument. It's like the craziest things in the argument.
Anyway, what is your boyfriend's ultimate favorite food?
I'm saying I want my love. Daddy.
I have it in my mind, you know. Me know what you like, you know, cause me, you do it all the time. Saying things repeatedly every day. His ultimate favorite food. You have it in your head, babe?
Yeah, man.
You ready? Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Anything
Chicken curry, chicken, rice
Anything
again
curry.
with curry chicken, curry turkey neck, curry.
Anything curry
everything.
Fish, curry, everything.
Curry, every goddamn thing. I him they
Curry
call
anything.
white liver. I him name white liver, curry, everything. Anyway.
No, Indian, no, white liver, Indian. Curry, I love curry.
Next one. Okay, what about me? What's my favorite?
Let me see. Oh, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Pasta.
Akia fish.
Pasta.
No. Me like pasta.
You always tell
But
me
me
say I
love
love
akia
pasta.
and porridge. Ooh. Akia fish, fried dumpling, porridge, pasta, everything, babe. Oh. Thai food, rice, food in general. Love it. Babe, what is your boyfriend's ultimate favorite movie? Movie. Babe, not really have a favorite movie, you know. I mean, when just watch some things every day, all day. Let's do that.
And
What's
watch
your
every
favorite
day.
thing to watch with? What you have in your mind already?
man.
Favorite thing to watch all day, every day? 1, 2, 3. Football and wrestling. That's it.
Yeah, sports.
Every now and then even watch some action movies. What's my ultimate favorite movie?
Favorite movie or
Yeah.
thing?
Movie. I have a favorite movie, babe. Ready? Okay, I'm that video at 20 minutes, you know.
Alright, come in.
1, 2, 3. Titanic. Yes,
Oh,
babe.
go
You
for
did
it.
that. Titanic is my favorite movie. A meteor just hit, right? You've saved everything important. What would your boyfriend go back to get? No one thing. Why not, God? Okay. One thing my boyfriend would go back to get. You have in your mind?
Yeah?
1, 2, 3.
The
Laptop.
football shows. My laptop?
That laptop is
Yeah, mash up.
The
Yeah, the laptop there.
will serve the test of time.
Yeah, the laptop is special to me. I'm gonna go back and get it. Anyway,
And him jerseys,
Yeah.
Manchester United and them thing there.
I'm gonna go about the laptop. The laptop there go about 10 years now.
You saved everything important. What would your girlfriend go back to get? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. My phone.
Our phone.
They say opposites attract. It is true because me and my boyfriend are opposite at. What are we opposite at?
Me?
What are we opposite at, babe? Oh.
Me know me and you never.
No, we opposite at? But we're not the same at. 1, 2. Wait. How many say we're not opposite at? 1, 2, 3. Socialization. We're opposite at socialization. Like, he's the social butterfly. Me, no life is socialized. So him are the social butterfly. Babe, what is me and you? What would you say we're opposite at?
Me? Agreeing on something. Me never yet agree upon the same thing.
So we're opposite at everything?
Yeah. Almost everything. Yeah, always I do your thing and you do your thing, me never do my thing. Yeah? Tell me something me
anyway, let's agree to disagree.
You see what I tell about? I didn't what me agree upon.
Wait, anyway guys, that was it for our couples 1, 2, 3 tag video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like and share. Get us to 500 subscribers. You know, help a Jamaican thing. And yeah guys, we will see you guys in the next video. Majestic love says peace.